Well, we just got to Zion National Park here in Utah. We're hanging out for the next few days, and then we have the Nightscaper conference on Monday. So we're gonna explore Zion for tonight, tomorrow, and then go to Bryce Canyon. But it's just crazy spectacular, checking out the canyons, and of course, the beautiful night skies, hopefully tonight. Check out the Milky Way here in a bit. All right, so we're trying to get up to the canyon overlook because, well, sunset's already about to start, and we didn't want to go all the way down to the Watchman and miss sunset. So it should be a pretty cool trail and get a beautiful vantage point of Zion Canyon. Well, we just got up on top of the Canyon Overlook Trail. Not that bad of a hike at all. It only took about 20 minutes. A little bit of a sweat, but perfect timing for sunset. Gonna hang out here and hopefully watch some beautiful light hit those rocks when it sets behind the mountains. Hey guys, good morning. It's about 3:40 in the morning here in Zion National Park. It's clear. We're gonna go do a little bit of Milky Way shooting because we have about 1 hour left before it starts to get bright as the sun starts to rise. So we're gonna go explore the park a little bit and enjoy the Milky Way. All right, well, it's about 5:10 now in the morning, and it's definitely starting to get light out, so we're gonna head back. But beautiful Milky Way is pretty cool. We're on the east side of the park, and some coyotes started howling right here, so it sounds like they're getting ready to start their day too. Tonight, we're gonna hopefully be shooting clear skies in Bryce Canyon, so getting to get up a little bit earlier than I did today. We were just so exhausted, definitely needed some sleep. But beautiful area, got some good hiking in Zion here, and excited to check out Bryce Canyon for the first time. Well, happy Saturday, guys. It's absolutely beautiful out. Starting to hike on the Watchman trail and just making our way up to check out that viewpoint. Hard to beat the weather right now. It's perfect. All right, we just got on top of Watchman Trail, checking out the overlook. It's pretty sweet. Got the Watchman behind me hanging out right there. Beautiful day. I think we're gonna hang out, have a snack, drink some water, head back down. Just getting into Bryce Canyon. First time I have been here. Savannah has been here before, but I've dreamed about getting here for night sky photography because it's about 8,500 feet at most of the locations. I think some go up to 9,000 feet. Stoked for astrophotography tonight, and hopefully it stays clear. Hey guys, how's it going?
Good, man.
Yeah, that'd be wonderful. Appreciate you, sir.
Have a good evening.
Yep, y'all have a good one. Okay, so absolutely insanely excited because looking over the hoodoos here, we're gonna have the Milky Way rising later tonight. So as long as it stays clear, I think number one of the spots is definitely to hit this up and do some tracked exposures of the Milky Way, and even maybe just a beautiful Milky Way panorama to capture the whole vastness over the hoodoos there. Well, we just finished scouting Bryce Point. I think this is gonna be an awesome location to do an arcing panorama Milky Way, so we're gonna head here tonight and set up the gear. Well, it's about 3 in the morning. That 1:45 wake-up call was not fun, but we're at Bryce Point right now. I have a panorama shooting, and we're gonna let that run. It's taking almost 100 photos, and we're just trying to get the canyon below with the Milky Way arcing across, and gonna hang out and just stargaze now and let that shoot. I'm doing 10-second exposures with a 50mm lens in that modified Sony A7S III. Well, we're just finishing up here at Sunset Point. Did another 100-image panorama with a 50mm lens. It's pretty amazing just seeing that Milky Way arc across the hoodoos down below in the canyon here. Just beautiful night. Saw a handful of meteors, one extremely bright meteor arc across the Milky Way, and I think that's about it for tonight because I'm absolutely beat. We need to get some sleep and then head down to Kanab tomorrow and get ready for the conference on Monday. Now that for many of you that follow along, of course you know that I'm very passionate about the national parks, and especially after working at Mount Rainier in 2015. So Bryce Canyon has always been on a bucket list since then, just knowing that they're an international dark sky certified park, so they're here to help protect and keep the night skies as our ancestors saw it. So that's one of the coolest things I really like about Bryce, and of course the high elevation as well makes the night sky just stand out that much more, and you can't beat it with this kind of geology as well for the foreground. Well, Savannah and I just got into Kanab, Utah. This is gorgeous. We're getting ready tomorrow for the Nightscaper conference and just getting outside for a little bit and checking out some of the scenery, but beautiful red rocks. Drive down from Bryce today was pretty sweet too. Obviously passed the same way that we came out of Zion, but further south we passed the coral sand dunes. It's pretty neat. Didn't get to stop, but it'd be a cool place in general, all this area of southern Utah, for good landscapes, hiking, and astrophotography, of course. Happy Monday, guys. We're here in Kanab, Utah for the start of the Nightscaper conference. I have a talk upcoming today about national park astrophotography, so hopefully inspire others to get out into national parks and enjoy the dark skies. So let's have a great Monday and enjoy the conference. So we made a quick pit stop just outside of Kanab. This beautiful sandstone caves here. It's incredible. Just carved out over millions of years. It's beautiful. Wrapping up our southern Utah trip, Coral Pink Sand Dune State Park just outside of Kanab. Awesome little spot for blue hour. It would be a cool spot if any of you guys want to shoot the Milky Way here. It'd be awesome from the dunes, but we'll have to do that at another time. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage. As always, reach out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the footage. It helps out immensely. See you guys. Appreciate you.